Everybody all right? Everybody all right?
Yeah, truck 14 from engine. There's explosions going off now.
Okay.
We're going to have to shut down this line. Our line's a problem.
Is everybody all right?
We're going to have to get a pause.
Everybody all right? Okay, guys. I want you guys pulling out for now. Okay.
We do have
explosions
working on the back side right now. We're going to go into the defensive mode.
Okay, guys, I want you backing off. Drop the line, back off.
Defensive mode only.
Mike, let's pull out and go defensive. We're okay.
All right. Shut down the 2.5-inch line. Shut it down.
21s, get out of there.
Our line's dead. We got to get more.
Okay. Mike, what do you want to do? You want to go? What? Okay. Mike, we're going to have...
Are you working on the B side of the fire?
All right. We'll get 46s on that.
Yeah, truck 14.
Benji, get a line.
We've got other containers of titanium taken off right now.
Hey, Dozer, you want us to take it around from the other side, around the...